Dragon. I'm here to test your knowledge of nature. There are 5 questions. Check out how much you got right. Let's start. What makes leaves green?
Mommy, what makes leaves green?
Chlorophyll. Oh, you right under there?
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
What animal is like a hammer?
What? What animal looks like a hammer? Apa itu optionnya?
Hammerhead shark. An actual hammer, bottlenose dolphin.
Seriously, hammerhead shark dong.
Nice. Our emperor penguin monogamous. This is from
Ini
Google.
siapa yang nyari pertanyaannya? Kalian.
Cormania. Yo.
Apa? Yes. I don't
Are
know.
you sure you didn't Google?
No, I read a lot. What's the connection of the lungs and blood? Number 1.
Good, you listen to class. What material is conductor? The most easiest material I can think of.
Susah banget sih. Material. Salah nulis tututnya. What material is a conductor? Steel?
Conductor.
Iron.
Yes.
Steel.
Close
Apa?
enough. Metal.
Metal. Oh.
Okay. Check how much you do it right, etc., etc., etc. Ta-da! It's done.
Terus kalau dan dapat apa?
Nothing yet.
You get nothing.
You get nothing.
I thought there's gonna be firework or something.
Not yet. Not yet.
Belum diajarin atau
Udah diajarin, but not yet.
belum jadi?
Yes.